Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex channel. Today I'm going to talk about, can you pass your FTMO challenge or any other funding company by using signals only? So not have to do any work yourself, just by following signals, is it possible to get fully funded? So I'm going to go through that now and give you examples if it is possible to actually pass the challenges. Most of the funding challenges, they are 10% on the first phase, 5% on the second phase. There's a few out there which are like 8% and 4%. We're going to go off the basis of 10% and 5%. Before we actually get into this video, be sure to check out my VIP group in the description and also my mentorship where I teach everything with weekly Zooms, private Discord and all of that. The VIP group, I send all the trades I take, so all the trades you'll see in this video were actually sent in the group down below. So if you're wanting to pass your FTMO, then be sure to check out the link below. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in a service where you get added to a group and we pass the FTMO together for a one-time fee and then you get your fully funded account. Let me know if you'd be interested in that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the signals I've sent in the past month, because FTMO gives you 30 days to pass your challenge. So I'm going to show you the signals I've sent in the past 30 days, around about, I think it's like 25 days I did marked up. And I'm going to show you if it was possible, if you followed my signals for a month, would you have passed your FTMO? These are the signals that were sent in my gold only group as well. So all the charts I'm going to show you are gold. So the first signal, if we go on my group here, you can see gold short, November 11th. There are the entry, the stop loss, to take profit. This is how I lay it out. So we got our entry here on this wick up. Price dropped straight away, 2% into profit, back up, didn't even tap our entry. So if you rolled your stops or move your stops to break even, you wouldn't even have been taken out at entry. Price went down, hit the TP, 3.5% profit from the last trade we sent. And you'll notice that I don't send like 10 trades a day, 10 trades a week. I like to pick my trades, but you'll notice that the win rate is a lot higher than most traders that send signals. And that's pretty much because I don't want to just send signals for the sake of it. If I'm not actually going to trade the signal, why would I send it? Whenever I enter a gold trade, I send it to the group so you can make profit with me. So if we go back now to the next signal, which was this one here, 1825 shorts, this one here. So I only had a 30 pip stop on this one as well. And this one did actually hit the stop loss for minus 30 pips or minus 1%. So total at the moment is 2.5% from the first two trades that we've been through. This was when price was in this kind of up movement and we were looking for a drop down before we actually look for the buys. But you know, we had a lot of fundamentals affecting the markets. We had the CPI, we had FOMC, we had NFP, all within like 10 days, and it was kind of the markets were making these big impulsive moves, as you can see here with this big candle. So that one was actually a loss. But if we scroll back again, and you can see this short here, this short, as you can see, I am showing you these on a Oanda broker. So as you see, when I hover over this, it says Oanda, and the charts I actually send the signals on is FXCM. So the stop loss and everything is calculated on FXCM. So this signal here on Oanda, it says it hit the stop loss, but if you can see here, price never actually hit the stop loss. It was like a pip away or something. When you zoom in, I'll put a screenshot here of the chart and you can see that it was close to the stop loss, but it didn't actually hit the stop loss. And yeah, TP hit for 5.3%. As you see, when you use a different broker to actually calculate things, nothing really lines up as much. That's why always stick to FXCM on your trading view, because it does have the live feed. Before you enter a trade, especially on indices, so say you're trading US 30, NAS 100, anything like that, your broker will have a different price to the trading view chart, unless obviously you're using the same broker for your charts as you are for your actually entering your trades. So you've always got to be careful, because you could get stopped out when it hasn't actually hit your stop loss. So entry price will be different, stop loss price, and that's why I try to avoid sending indice signals for that reason, because people will get stopped out when you haven't even been stopped out. So it's quite hard to send signals for indices. So yeah, this one 5.3% or 5.1 it says. So total for the last 3 trades I sent has been 7.5%, something like that. So we go back now, we scroll back up in the chat. You can see that was the trade we just went over. Okay, gold long 1785, 1782 stop loss, this one here. So we had an entry on this wick down. You know, you could have got multiple entries. Say you missed the original entry on this signal, you had, you know, 3-4 opportunities when price came back into the level to actually get another entry, or even just add more positions. Depends on how you want to trade. 1810 was our target, and if I show you here, 1810 not edited, hit it went 5 pips above and then collapsed through the level again. So, you know, precision signals, and this was 8.3%. So, you know, out of the 4 signals I've actually showed you, it's well over 10% already within just over a week. So a little teaser of the signals. So if we scroll back up again, you can see this one here, gold short, close that one for 2%. This one back here, scroll up, there we go, gold short 1780, there we go, bigger stop loss on this one, so only a 2.5% profit. This one a 2%, 2.5%, and this one here, I didn't actually send this one in signal format, but I did send my chart here saying that gold is going to go to 1775. As you can see, my stop loss is on there, my TP is on there, but this was late at night, just after gold reopened, so I don't usually like to send signals when we are late at night or early in the mornings, but I will just give a heads up if I am entering, which I did in this occasion. And as you see, price began to just plummet down and hit our TP for this one for another 7.78%. So for these total trades, I actually added it up, and it's around 28% from these last 3 weeks trading. So, you know, if you do the maths, you need 10% to pass your challenge. That was done in 2 trades. You need 5% to pass your verification. That's done in 1 trade. 28% in 3 or 4 weeks, something around that, 27 days, and you're sorted. You take the signals for another month, 100k FTMO, you're making 28 grand. 200k FTMO, you're making over 50 grand, or like 56 grand, just from taking the signals, paying £55 per month. So, you know, I'm not just trying to convince you, I'm just trying to show you that if you find a good signal provider, it's definitely possible. But not if you find those signal people that enter down here, their stop loss is 200 pips, their TP is 100 pips. Like, not mentioning any names out there, but you know who I'm on about. People that trade with a 1-to-1. Like, you can't make serious money with a 1-to-1. 50% win rate with a 1-to-1, you'll break even. Like, really? Is it worth it? You have to have super high win rate, which a lot of these gurus don't. With my strategy, as you see, we wait out, we don't trade 5 times a day, we wait for the perfect setups. 7%, 2.5%, 2%, 8%, 5%, minus 1%, show the losses as well, be transparent. So you've had 1 loss in the last month, another 3%, 3.5% even. And then this week we're looking for some big moves on gold. We're in a nice lovely area, and this is where we're going to absolutely slaughter the markets and hopefully make loads of profit for the clients. Yeah, if you are interested, be sure to comment down below or check out the link in the description, and you can find all the info down there, or follow my Instagram and DM me there, or on my Telegram, which is there. My Instagram is there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.